Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I am here with a fantastic haul for you. If you are just learning how to coupon or you want to start to learn how to coupon and just don't know where to begin. So this is the perfect channel to follow because we always make scenarios every single week, especially at CVS, to help you learn how to coupon. And we show you scenarios that you don't have to go out and buy any Sunday papers for because all you need is the CVS app. So if you are ready to learn, or if you're already a couponer or a seasoned couponer, you just want to find out a quick, cheap scenario, then this is the deal for you. In the meantime, what I need you to do is give me some thumbs up, get your pencils, your paper, and your CVS app. Get ready to learn to save. And here we go. Okay, guys, so are you ready to learn to be a bargain Betty? Are you ready to learn to be a bargain Bob? Are you ready to learn to coupon at CVS? Well, if you are in the right place at the right time because we have something special to show you today. We're going to show you exactly how to coupon at CVS and save money, whether you're a beginner or you've been doing this for a long time. So let's get ready. First, I need you to give me some thumbs up. I need you to like this video. I need you to share it with your friends, your family. I need you to tweet it out. I need you to text it out, send it out on Messenger, put it on Facebook, Instagram, whatever. We want to share it with as many people because we want everyone saving. We want to make sure that everyone's able to stretch that dollar just a little bit longer and make that paycheck last just a little bit longer. So here we go, guys. I need you to get your phones out. And if you have not downloaded that CVS app yet, I need you to download that CVS app. Because when you download that CVS app, you're going to get coupons that were normally in the Sunday papers. That way you don't have to go buy a Sunday paper because you're going to get those coupons. Unless you want more than one coupon, then you have to go out and buy the paper. But with this deal that we're going to do today, there's no need to buy a paper because all of those coupons are in your CVS app. Plus, you want that CVS app because they're going to send you special coupons, which are what we call CRTs. And the CRTs are based on your spending and what you purchase. They send you special coupons for items that you have already purchased in the past because they know that you're going to purchase them in the future. That way you can use those in conjunction with your digital manufacturer coupons or your paper manufacturer coupons. And what does that do? Makes your out-of-pocket just a little bit lower, and that's what we like, right? Okay. So, guys, let's get started. You can either pull up the ad from your CVS app, or if you have the paper ad, you can look at that. Or what I'm going to do is put up different pictures from the actual ad so you can follow along. So, with this scenario, we're going to start off with no ECBs. Okay, no extra care bucks. And we're only going to use digital coupons that are in our CVS app. We're going to do the deal, spend $30, get $10 extra bucks. And guys, that is the key to saving at CVS, is getting extra care bucks. Because they're just like real money. They're just like paper money. You get to spend those on products that you would purchase. So if you have a $10 extra care buck, that's worth 10 American dollars. Isn't that great? Guys, I love it. And what you want to do is you want to learn to roll those extra bucks from one scenario to another. So if you earn $10 in a scenario, then you want to do your next scenario where you're going to get $10 back again. That way you just keep rolling those extra bucks over and over and over again. So it's like getting a $10 bill and just being able to use it over and over again. So you don't really want to go to CVS, give them your $10 bill, and then them not give you a $10 bill back, right? Or $7 or $8. So make sure every time you use those extra care bucks, you're getting extra care bucks back so you can keep rolling and rolling and rolling and rolling and rolling. That way you just keep saving and saving and saving and saving. So guys, let's get started. So the very first item that we're going to purchase are the paper towels. The Scott paper towels. Now there's a couple different types of Scott paper towels that they have, but you want to make sure that you get the ones in the red and white pack that are 6 rolls equal 11 rolls, because those are the ones on sale, and they're actually on sale for $6.99 this week. Now, what you want to do is you want to clip the digital coupon for $1 off, and this is what it looks like. Clip that before you go to the register. Make sure all of your digital coupons are clipped before you go to the register, because when you scan your extra care card or you put your telephone number in, then those coupons are going to pop up for the cashier to apply to your purchase. Okay, so now we're at $6.99. Even though we have $1 off coupon and we're down to $5.99, you're going to count the amount that goes towards your $30 to get the $10 extra bucks before the coupon amount, okay? So we're at $6.99. The next item we're going to purchase is the Persil. The Persil is on sale this week for $5.99, but we're going to clip this digital coupon for $2 off. So that's going to bring that down to $3.99. So let's see where we're at so far. So this is $6.99. and this is $5.99. So I'm going to round up. So I'm going to say this is $7 and this is $6. So we're at $13 right now, okay? The next item we're going to grab are your Tide Pods. Your Tide Pods are on sale for $4.99 this week. But guess what? We have a digital coupon. It's this digital coupon right here for this digital coupon for $2. So that's going to bring the pods down to $2.99. Okay? So we're at, you add 7, 6, and 5, right? So we're at $18. The next item we're going to grab are the pull-ups. The pull-ups are on sale for 2 for $20. Now you might say, well, Nicole, why do you only have one? I only grabbed one because, number one, I only have one coupon in the digital coupons, because you're going to clip this $2 digital coupon to go with this. And I only was trying to get to my $30. So if I would have grabbed 2 of these, I would have been up to almost $40, and I didn't want to spend that much. Now, if you have a baby or you need to buy Pampers and things, this would be a good deal to buy both of these and possibly try to get a paper coupon, or just use the one digital coupon. So I'm going to grab one bag. They are two for $20 on sale. But if you don't buy 2, then they are $1.50. Excuse me. I wish they were $1.50. Oh my goodness. They are $11.50. And I'm still fine with that, because that's still a terrific price knowing what they regularly cost. So now, before taxes and without our coupons, our total is, $29. So I still need to get a couple more things, or one more thing, to reach my $30 threshold. Now, be careful, because with CVS, they do have the 98% rule. So you don't have to be right at the $30 mark as long as you are at the 98% mark. But that has to be before taxes. So before taxes, I was at my $30. After taxes, I was at my $30 mark. But before taxes, I was not. So I'm going to grab these 2 boxes. I grabbed these 2 boxes of Kleenex. They are on sale for 2 for $3. Now, that takes me to I think it's like $33. But you might say, well, Nicole, again, you're over. Why don't you just grab one? Well, if I would have grabbed one of these Kleenex, it would have charged me $2.59. But if I grabbed 2, it would be 2 for $3. So it only made sense to get 2. So let me get my receipt here, because I want to make sure that I'm giving you guys the actual numbers. And I'm actually going to put my receipt up so that you can see. So my total before coupons was $32.22. So that meant that I hit the $30 threshold, so I got back a $10 extra buck. And if you're looking on the receipt, you will see that the Kleenex were on sale, the Huggies were on sale, the Scott was on sale, and the Tide was on sale. You'll see all of the digital coupons came off. And at the bottom, you see coupons applied. It says 1 Persil for $2. That was the digital coupon we got. 1 pull-ups for $2. 1 Tide coupon for $2. So after the coupons were deducted, my total was $25.26. So you might say, well, Nicole, that's not a really good deal. Well, it is a good deal if you are a beginner couponer, because you still saved $6 on this purchase, and you got back a $10 extra bucks that you're going to be able to use over and over again. So if you deduct the $10 in extra bucks, then really I only paid $16.22 for all of this. So to me, that's still a good deal if you are a beginner couponer. Now, once you start to learn the coupon more and more, and you build up your CRTs, and you build up your extra bucks, and you start getting manufacturer coupons where you can get 2 and 3 of things, then you'll start to have a lower out of pocket. But right now, this is a fantastic deal for a beginner couponer. But guys, guess what? We're not done, because there's still another savings that we could get. What you want to do is you want to download the app, Ibotta app, because every time you purchase something from a store, it's just like clipping the digital coupons that you clipped off of your CVS app. You're going to go in there and you're going to clip those coupons. They are not manufacturer coupons, so you can clip those and don't have to worry about handing them to someone. All you do is scan your receipt. So what we're going to do is we're going to scan our receipt into Ibotta, because I clipped a $2 coupon for the pull-ups. So I'm going to get $2 more off of what I purchased, and that will be in my account within a half an hour. So again, you want to deduct that. So you deduct the $10 extra buck plus the $2 from Ibotta, that's $12. So now my out of pocket is down to $14. It's getting good, right? Yes, I thought you'd agree with me. So guys, this is a perfect scenario for you to do if you are a beginner couponer. If you're not a beginner couponer and you just want a scenario to do, again, this is one for you. And if you have not downloaded the Ibotta app yet, I will put the link in the description box so that you can go ahead and click on that and start saving. And again, Ibotta works just like the digital coupons from CVS, where you do not have to have the paper coupons. All you do is clip them before you make the purchase, and boom, now you're saving. So guys, like the video. Let me know if you intend on going to do this scenario. Let me know if there's scenarios that you'd like me to do for you to show you how to save more. And make sure that you subscribe to this channel. I will have some more videos going up of other things that you can save on at CVS as well as Dollar General. And I will have some videos up for my more seasoned couponers. And hey, if you're a beginner couponer and you want to try those seasoned scenarios, be my guest. Go ahead, try them. Because guess what? That's the only way you're going to get better. Practice makes perfect. So guys, until the meantime, keep on saving.